Welcome to Yoga Life with Amelia. For this video, I'd like to share with you some tips on how to start a meditation practice. There are many benefits to meditation as part of your yoga asana practice. One of the more common benefits include reduced stress and anxiety levels and improved focus and attention to the present moment. So here are some easy tips for meditation as a form of mental exercise for relaxation. Tip number 1. Find a quiet spot that you can devote the next 5 to 10 minutes for your practice. Try to find a place in your home to see if this is going to work for your meditation. For more tips on how to create a space for your practice, please view my previous videos and I'll provide a link in the description box below. Once you find a quiet spot, sit for the next 5 to 10 minutes and quietly regulate your breath so you can focus on the way you are breathing. You may set an intention here to be quiet for the next few minutes so you can relax into your practice. There are many ways and many styles of meditation. I like to start my meditation right after a yoga asana flow. So join me and my friend Janet on this flow. Remember, you can do this slower or faster depending on how your body feels or how you want to move that day. So from a standing position, inhale to bring your arms up. Exhale as to bring your arms down into forward fold. On your next breath, step back and lower your knee to the ground and move again with your arms in your half kneel pose. On your next breath, step forward and come back to a standing pose and repeat the flow on the other side. Once again, inhale to reach up, exhale into forward fold. On your next breath, step back and lower your knee to the ground and move again with your arms in your half kneel pose. On your next breath, step forward and come back to a standing pose and repeat the flow on the other side. Continue the flow a few more times so you can prepare your body to sit in meditation. If you want, spend time in your half kneel pose to stretch your hip area longer. Let's continue the flow on the other side. Spend time in your half kneel pose to stretch your hip area longer. Let's finish the flow and get ready for your meditation practice. I hope you're able to apply the easy tips for your meditation practice. There are many ways to nurture your meditation practice. There's many styles of meditation, and you will find one that works for you. Thank you for viewing Yoga Life with Amelia, and I'll see you on the next one.